Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the HP Power Color monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily switch between different color presets for your monitor. If you want to make your monitor more live or more toned or something like that, you just have to click the button you have in the back of your monitor in the top right corner. It's here, and we have to click on the button again. Now we have to scroll down once to see the color options, and now we have to click once again. Here we have to click and select our preset that we prefer. As you can see, we can go up and down. The default one is photography, which is P3D65, but we can select for print. As you can see, design for print, design for web, HD video, and low blue light. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.